Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe. I, Ajay Singh from Colonel's Brightland Public School, will teach you computer of grade 6. So, dear student, this is a part 1 video for the chapter 7 log on to Flash CS6. So, dear student, this is a basically DTP related software just like Photoshop. तो ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर है, इसे बड़े ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे और सीखेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद व्हाट इज़ फ्लैश. फ्लैश क्या होता है? फ्लैश इज़ अ सॉफ्टवेयर पैकेज दैट अलाउज यूज़र टू क्रिएट एनिमेटेड वर्क्स. जस्ट लाइक यूजिंग फ्लैश one can combine images, audio, video and other effects to create an animation. Originally, it was designed to create animations for display on web pages. Flash is now commonly used to create games, cartoons, websites, photo galleries, and much more. The animation and graphics created in Flash can be scaled to any size without compromising with clarity or quality. So, fact file for you students. Jonathan Gay was the main programmer and visionary of Flash. So, he is an animation editor for web pages. Next, how to start Flash. First, we have to start Flash. Follow these steps. Click on the Start button. हमेशा की तरह All apps and Adobe Master Collection CS6. Adobe और उसके अंदर आपको मिलेगा Adobe Flash Professional CS6. The Adobe Flash Professional CS6 welcome screen appears. The screen displays the 3 panes. Create from template, create new, and create and learn. All the common tasks like creating a new document, opening recently used files, and using pre-built templates can be done using this screen. So under the create new section, select action script 3.0. So a new blank file will open in a Flash window. Next, the Flash workspace. The menu bar contains controls for common functions and commands such as opening, editing and saving files, etc. Know the fact. To save the file, click on the file, save and specify the file name and click on the save button. The file will be saved with the .fla extension के साथ सेव हो जाएगी. This is rectangular workspace area where we place our contents and create our drawing or movies. इसमें हम अपनी ड्राइंग और मूवीज़ को सेव करें. By default, the stage size Flash is 550 into 440. In order to move the stage to different position on the screen, select the hand tool from the tool panel and drag the stage to desired position. बहुत सिंपल है इसे यूज़ करना. The tools panel क्या होता है? Tools, it contains a set of tools to draw, paint, select and modify objects in the workspace. Let us know more. You can view the stage on the entire screen or view the particular area of your drawing at high magnification. To do so, select the zoom tool and from the tool panel. To switch between the zoom in or zoom out option, use the enlarge or reduce modifier displayed in the option. Alright, in the option section. Alright students, the properties panel क्या होता है? राइट साइड में देखिए. Properties panels displays the various properties of the selected objects, text, symbol, image or shapes. It is generally used for changing the setting like stage की size के लिए ruler unit, background color of the stage and frame rate. It is also named as a property inspector. If the properties panel is not visible, then we can select the window properties, then the properties option. Quick view for you students. The Control plus F3 shortcut key combination is used to enable the properties panel. After that, know the fact you can also change the various properties of the stage like stage size, background color, etc. by selecting the modify document option. Timeline. The timeline is a window at the bottom of the stage. It is divided into frames. It is the area where one controls the sequencings and timings of graphics and other elements